Alright folks, let's talk about mornings. They can be a game changer for your entire day. I know, for some of you, just hearing the word makes you want to crawl back under the covers. Mornings can be tough, especially if you didn't get enough sleep. But trust me on this, how you start your day can make or break your mental game. A good morning routine sets the tone for everything that follows. We're talking about feeling good, functioning like a well-oiled machine, and maybe even cracking a smile before noon. Imagine starting your day with a sense of accomplishment. Now, full disclosure, I'm not a doctor. If you're struggling with serious mental health issues, please talk to a professional. It's important to get the help you need. Need an affordable option? Check out MyHomeDoc Telehealth. It's a convenient way to get professional advice without leaving your home. But for those everyday slumps and anxieties, a solid morning routine might be your secret weapon. Simple activities like stretching, journaling, or a healthy breakfast can make a big difference. Think of it like this. Your brain is a high-performance engine. It needs proper care and attention to run smoothly. You wouldn't just slam it into gear and floor it without warming it up first, right? Your mind deserves the same kind of preparation. Same goes for your mind. A few minutes of meditation or deep breathing can set a calm, focused tone for the day. A positive morning routine is like giving your brain a nice, relaxing tune-up before the day's chaos hits. So take a moment for yourself each morning. Your mental health depends on it. So what does a mental health boosting morning actually look like? How can you set yourself up for a day filled with positivity and productivity? First off, consistency is key. Establishing a regular routine can make a world of difference. Your brain loves routine. It thrives on predictability. This helps reduce stress and anxiety. Try waking up and going to bed around the same time each day, even on weekends. This consistency helps regulate your internal clock. Next up, ditch the phone scrolling first thing. Resist the urge to dive into social media or emails. Seriously, nothing good comes from diving headfirst into the digital abyss before you've even brushed your teeth. It can wait. Instead, try some gentle stretching, a quick meditation, or some light yoga to wake up your body and mind. Or even just a few minutes of quiet reflection. This can help you start the day with a clear and focused mind. Remember those adult coloring books everyone was obsessed with a while back? They're still a great way to relax. Turns out there's something to that. Coloring can be a meditative activity that calms the mind. Engaging in calming, creative activities first thing can really set the tone for a more positive mindset. It's a wonderful way to start your day on the right foot. Now let's talk about some easy at-home hacks that can make a big difference in your daily life. Ever notice how even mild dehydration can make you feel sluggish and irritable? It's a common issue that many people overlook. Start your day by chugging a big glass of water. It's like hitting the reset button on your brain, helping you feel more alert and focused. Sunlight is another mood booster. Even if you're not a morning person, try getting a few minutes of natural light soon after waking up. It can make a huge difference in your mood. It helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle and can do wonders for your energy levels throughout the day. And hey, don't underestimate the power of a good breakfast. It's the fuel that kickstarts your day. I'm not talking about a sugar-loaded donut binge. That will only lead to a crash later. Fuel your body with some protein, whole grains, and maybe some fruits or veggies. These nutrients are essential for brain function. Your brain will thank you, and you'll feel more energized and ready to tackle the day ahead. Listen, building a solid morning routine takes time and effort. It's not about being perfect. It's about finding what works for you and making small, sustainable changes. Remember, you're in the driver's seat when it comes to your mental well-being. So take charge, prioritize your mental health, and start your day off right. And hey, if you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more life-changing content. Just kidding. Kinda. But seriously.